In this tutorial, we're going to just look at the chamfer tool. Chamfer tool is, for the most part, pretty straightforward. Click on, so you need to have a part that's made that has some edges that could be chamfered. So we'll use this part here. And there's three different ways that you can chamfer. The first way is where it's chamfering an equal distance along each of the sides. So that's usually the sort of default one that you use. The distance here is 0.125. Let's see if that works here. So if I click on this edge here, that should work fine. And so it's just going to cut away by 0.125 on either side. Hit OK, and so that surface there is chamfered. Let's go to the next type of chamfer. You have distance and angle. So if we go to, let's say our distance we want to have at 0.125, but our angle we want to have a little larger of an angle. So let's make that about 50. So it's going to look for the face first, where the distance is connected to. All right, so that's that face, and then this edge. And looks like we can actually, can we swap that right now? Looks like this 50 degrees is going to cause us grief. It's giving this little grief symbol here. So let's make that a little smaller. Let's see if 30 will work. 30 works. And hit check mark. And so that edge right there has been chamfered with a distance at an angle. And then the last type of chamfer is going to be distance, where you have two different distances. So distance 1.125, let's say distance 2 is just 0.05, and choose an edge. And I think it wanted a side, and what's it looking for here? Let's see what happens if we just hit the check mark. Looks like it did that. So if we looked at this from the bottom, you can see those different chamfers. And that is how you use the chamfer tool.